guys, so the infographic that we're going to do, we are going to be using a software called Canva, and I've been using it for years for lots of things, but it is a really kind of intuitive way to make things look pretty. So in your cell communication project assignment board, there is a link. You're just going to click on this to go to Canva. I'm going to do it over here because I had to do it in the incognito window so it doesn't recognize me, so that you can see what you would see when you click it. You're going to come to something that looks like this, and it says you've been invited to Siler's AP Biology class. You are going to sign up with email and sign in with your school email address, okay? And it's a free account. You'll just be added to my classroom, and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so once you get in, you're going to see something that looks like this, and you're going to design an infographic. And infographics have lots of different, they usually have lots of pictures, they're very colorful, and they have loads of information. You see them in doctor's offices, you see them all over social media, you see them all over the place. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on templates, okay? Down here you have personal templates, school templates, but under school, even under recommended, you'll see this infographic template, okay? You're going to click on that, and it's going to create kind of a long, skinny infographic that you're going to create. And then what's cool about this software is it has lots and lots and lots. See all these templates? These are just templates for you to start with, and it is as simple as clicking it. I think you have to click and drag. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. You can change it. You can click on it. You can do whatever you want. So you look for something you kind of like, and then, let me move this out of the way. And then you're going to use this to make the screen bigger. And all of this, I mean, you can move anything that's on here. You can change the text. You can change colors of boxes. If you don't like the color, you can just delete this completely if you want, and say you want a different picture, you just click on elements, and this is where all the clippy arty stuff is. So maybe you want to see if there's something, there's a cell. Yeah, there's some sciencey stuff, so you can put stuff here. The cool thing about it too is that if you can't find an image that you like, if you go to uploads here, you just upload media, and you can upload it from anywhere. You can upload it from your device. So say I have some pictures in here. I'm going to upload that. So there, boom, it's there, and now I can use it on my infographic. So anything you can find on the internet, you can upload, and you can put it on your Canva page. For text, if you want to add new text, you can just grab one of these little, you can start with however big you want it, drag it over, you start typing the text. You can, keeps getting in my way, you can change all of the fonts. There's tons of fonts in here. There are effects. You can say I want the text to be echoed or hollow or shadow. There's lots of different things. Also in the text they have some of these that are kind of pre-made. If you bring that over, say good vibes, and you can just change the words to whatever you want. So lots of different things here to play around with. One thing that I would caution you about is that I wouldn't start with the Canva stuff right away. I would make sure you've nailed your research and that you have all of the details about how your drug or your disease affects the cell signaling and what it goofs up and what's not working. Because remember, that is what all your points are going to come from, is your content. Is do you have the right signal? Do you have you identified the ligand? Have you identified where the problem happens? That's where the bulk of your stuff comes from. The prettiness is just kind of a small portion of this. It really is just about getting all that content done. That's why I chose to do it in Canva, because it's pretty simple. It's pretty intuitive, and it comes with a lot of these templates so that you can kind of start. You don't have to start from scratch. You can start from something that's already created. On yours, you should have a button up here that instead of print infographics, it should say send to teacher. And you're going to click that, and that's how I'm going to get it, okay? If for some other reason, like I had a problem with my PAP class where somebody didn't have the send to teacher button, if by chance that happens to you, just click share and copy the link and email it to me so that I can get it. There's lots of ways for me to get it, so don't panic if that button's not there, but there should be a send a teacher button that you can click and I will get it, okay? So, and it automatically saves. If you look up here where it says all changes saved, as long as you see that know that this is all saved and you can close out of it, and then when you come back to it, it'll still be there for you to continue, okay? I think that's about it. Oh, there is photos too if you want something more realistic instead of like a clip art. Change backgrounds. So yeah, so lots of playing around. Okay? Hope you enjoy. Bye.